Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. Today I thought we would take a look at how my quick and easy journal turned out from the hashtag #BeSummerInspired collaboration. You can see I did finish it. It is kind of chunky. I don't have a closure, but I think I really love the textures and differences that I've got on the page edges here. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is the front cover. We'll back out just a little bit. There we go, front cover. And I had this fun little tag in here, which is really great because if you're gifting this journal away, or maybe you've taken a trip or something, you can write the details of the location, the date, the place, whatever you'd like to do in there. And it just tucks away inside this cute little boathouse, which I love so much. These papers and the collaboration was put together by RachandBella Crafts. I am on the design team, so this is my design team project from there. I'm trying to catch up with all of my flip throughs, so you'll be seeing quite a few books that I've made recently. And the back, I kept just a little bit simple. We've got some lace and some of this little bit of trim here that kind of looks very nautical. I think it has all the little knots. I love it. Got some Nouveau on the window, and then I just kind of left it the way that it was because I really loved the design. This boathouse was so sweet. All right, let's take a look inside. Again, anybody who was wondering how this was made, definitely take a look at my video. I'll put it in the description box below. This book is about 4.5 inches by 6-ish, and we have a 2.5-inch spine with the slipped spine for the binding, and we have two signatures, and they are also reinforced with eyelets, which I love. The string here is elastic. Again, you can watch the video of how this was put together. This started out as a Cheez-It box, so it's quite a transformation, and I absolutely love it. I hope you do as well. So let's take a look. All right, so inside the cover here, we have a fun tag, which I made on a Facebook Live. You can definitely check out some of the fun things I do there over on Facebook. This tag is just a jar of shells. I loved this jar. It was so much fun. I put it inside of a little like acetate bag and stitched around so that it actually kind of looked like it had some shine, and it's just a collection of seashells by the seaside, and a cute, I think it's the only time I will ever say a seagull is cute. Good job, Rachel. Then my signatures here are matching. I loved this one. It says the Fisherman's Cottage. It kind of went with this little boathouse on the front. So the Fisherman's Cottage is on the front of this signature and also on the front of this signature. I did make them matching because I thought it was just very nice and cohesive. Here is a little charm with a seashell, and this one has a charm with a different seashell. It's got a little sea star there, or starfish, whatever you like to call them. Very cute. I love them. We've got some trim, some stitching all around. Then on this one here, we made this card in my private group, Frap House Fun, on Facebook. And I thought it was just super sweet. Perfect addition for my book here. Little note card that slips into this, and it says friends, sun, sand, and sea. That sounds like summer to me. I love it. So many cute sentiments in this paper collection, so definitely check that out. I'll put the links in the description box below. Love the lighthouse. And this is actually a little pocket. I was going to put this, it's a little wooden fish. I was going to put him on the front somewhere, but I just couldn't make him look right without disrupting the fun pattern here. So he just gets to tuck into the pocket, and I think he's really great. I used Nouveau drops to make his eyeball there, and I had some fun with some color glow on there. So ink and color glow, and I think he's just something cute to stick in there. Of course, you know, maybe you could write on the back what kind of fish you caught, or maybe you saw some fish, or you liked some fish, or you ate some fish, whatever it is. He's in there. He's really cute. You can just enjoy him as well. I had a lot of fun with this packaging paper, putting down all of these beautiful inks, and I didn't want to cover them up. I thought this would be a great writing space here. You can just write right over the inking there, and or you could put some photos in there. This one I thought is a beautiful image. We've got some Nouveau drops on those flowers, a fun little paper ruffle, some lace, more of that fun inked packaging paper. I left the strings here. If that's not your jam, you can totally cut them off, but sometimes they just kind of look tattered and fun. More writing space. And this was from a Vintage Reader's Digest, and I thought the boat just fit in so well, especially here by this lighthouse. And this is sewn on. Here's a little journaling card. And I love how this says splashing. It looks like all the waves. And this trim kind of looks like seaweed to me, so I thought it was perfect in this instance here. Just a little collage with the sea stories. All of these images, again, are from RachandBella Crafts Digital Designs. Here is another little pocket with a little card that says sea stories. This paper is actually super old. It's, I think, 1923 or 1929, but it just fit in perfectly here. It says, in summer, the song sings itself, and I just thought that was a really great addition here. Another one of those jars. More packaging paper to write on, and I love all of the inked splats and colors that I was able to get there. Some fun little tabs, fabric. This one is a pocket, and we have a little tag in there with some shells and a butterfly. Of course, it's glittered because things with wings must glitter in my world. All right, that's the back cover of the signature there. I left room there so you can put a photo, you can do some journaling, whatever you want to do. Here's the second signature. Again, it matches that first one, the different shell, but very beautiful. I love it. Secured or reinforced with an eyelet, and that is a jump ring to hold that little charm on there. Got some glue strings. We'll get rid of those. More paper with the inking, and I love all the different patterns. Very reminiscent of the sea. Got a little paper ruffle here, a little, or not paper ruffle, fabric ruffle, and a tab up there. Lots and lots of room to journal and write. Even if it's just to collect summer quotes or maybe document the places that you went over this summer. This is not a pocket or anything. It's just beautiful imagery, which I stitched around and put a little fabric accent there. This was an envelope. I just flipped it up to put some of this fun ephemera that was from the kit in here. Then we've got a little kind of a window tag that I made. We've got a fun seashell here, some lace, of course an eyelet there to reinforce. And then it's got a little window with some shimmer. It's a sparkle window, so it's shimmering. What's the word? It's a shimmering stuff that you laminate. There we go. My goodness. Summer, when days are brighter and spirits are lighter. We're in fall season now, but it's nice to look back at this book, and it's a perfect time to go over your photos or maybe your memories from the summer and fill them in. Once it's all done, you can pick out your favorite pictures or your favorite memories, favorite places that you went, maybe just document some fun times or something. There is a fabric ruffle. This is a little pocket. It's a tiny little pocket with a piece of ephemera in there. And, you know, this is a perfect thing. You can write on there. Maybe you have a ticket of some other kind you want to stick in there instead of this one. It's kind of hidden there, so you don't really notice that it's there. And this is a fun pocket as well. This is from an envelope from the digital kit. Whoops, scooch back into frame, so sorry. And then this flips over and rolls out, so you can, again, maybe you have a letter or a postcard or something that you collected. You could glue that in there, and it would store nicely right there. Summer is a state of mind, and this is a little shaker. Super fun. It's supposed to look like your iced tea or maybe some lemonade. And that is the last page. I do have my little handmade by FrappsandScraps embellishment there. And this beautiful window, which I absolutely love. It looks like you are inside somewhere dreaming of the sea and looking out. And the back page, again, we looked at that at the beginning. Very simple with some lace and this nautical trim. This is a fabric cover on the spine, which I thought went perfectly with this gorgeous little boathouse, which I love. I do have some dangles over here. We've got some little charms. This is a seashell. We've got some little nautical string or ribbon, some lace, some more little charms. So cute, and I love it. Love it, love it. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. If you didn't catch the hashtag BeSummerInspired collaboration, you can always go and watch the replays. So many beautiful things were created by so many different creators. It was an A to Z challenge. So lots and lots of things to watch. If you are missing summer, or maybe somewhere else in the world you are in the summer season, it is the perfect time to catch all of these things. And again, this was a quick and easy for the letter Q junk journal to make from a little cracker box. So any packaging that you have at home will work for this. You can make them any size and just have fun making a journal. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.